What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover VELAR that we have right here in Charante grey. Dude, with the sunlight this car really looks gorgeous, man. I hope the color in the camera is actually giving it to you guys, but yeah man, check out the sky. Of course, beautiful sky, beautiful car, beautiful brand. Damn, lovely environment, man, for this car to be placed. Just love how gorgeous this car looks, man. Damn. Now, let's start off with the front light, shall we? You get your amazing DRLs that are right here. I like how it cuts down right here and then it gives a space right here, continues right there. Gorgeous finish. Now the bottom front bumper, love this bronze finish that's happening on the front part of the bumper right here. You do get some opening right there for air to flow through, very cool. Love the gloss black finishing that's happening on the inside part right here. And also you get this gloss black finishing right here. Charante brown, Charante grey, black, Charante grey, black. I love all the lines and partition, man, dude. Like how aggressive this thing looks for the front lip, and then automatically it's of course in gloss black. Suddenly it just changes into this matte grey front lip kind of a finish, so it does look very nice indeed. Love the lights, of course, you have right here. I believe this should be your TRLs or things like that. Very nice mashed out grill that you have right here for air to flow through. Love the 360 camera on this side. Also you get your number plate located right here, and also you have your amazing grill in this sort of like grayed out finish on this side, but the inner part right here is in black. Very cool. Airflow happening all over the place. Land Rover wording right here, and also you get your Range Rover wording right here in this gunmetal kind of a finish. Cool. Love how this car looks. For the hood, you get some lines coming on that side right here and downside right here, but at the same time, you know, you get to admire the design. It's not that edgy, but it does look very aggressive. You do have your Range Rover wording on this side right here on the blacked out finish. You do get this bronze finish on the top hood as well. Now for the side of the car, you do get the same as well on this side. Gloss black together with the bronze finish right here. Very nice setup. The Charante grey, dude, looks damn cool, man. Love the lines, and then it just goes and shoots all the way to the rear tail light. Beautiful color, beautiful car. Now you have these amazing wheels, of course, multi-spoke wheels. Why not? It does look very beautiful indeed. Now these are 22-inch wheels, guys. Just check out how gorgeous they look. Love the red calipers on the inside part right there. You get your solid disc brakes on this side. Of course, they're using Scorpion Pirelli tires. 265/40 R22, that's the tire size for this gorgeous spec of a car. Now you do have your amazing partition of colors, right? As I mentioned, Charante grey, you got the black lining right here that goes across all the way to the back. Again, in between here, you get the Charante grey, goes right there, very cool. Down here, again, you got the black that goes right to the end. So very nice setup for a car like this. Gorgeous, just check it out. So side mirrors, of course, in this blacked out finish. Love the gloss black housing. Love the DRLs, of course, no, not DRLs. Your signal indicators are going to be located right there. 360 camera down here. Love the gloss black finishing for the center part of the whole car until the back. So the top part right here is still in the Charante grey, and down here as well. Very cool indeed. Let's open up the doors and check out the amazing door design-like finish. So you do have handles, of course, very nice indeed. Gloss black finish. Your lock for the doors, window adjustments right here, handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got your compartment storage down here, speakers, Meridian speakers once again. You got this grained out leather, very nice indeed. Love the finishing, man, dude, beautiful. Now for the side, you get your Range Rover plaque right here. You get your leather finish on the inside, very solid perforated seats. Love the stitching. Love the smell of the leather, man, dude. Of course, it's a brand new car and it does look very much beautiful indeed. Now, grained out leather dashboard. Love the grainy finish. Amazing top as well. You get your screen right here. Of course, why not? Leather dashboard right here. Love the gunmetal finish that's happening all over the air vents. Very cool. Gloss black finish on this side. You have your glove compartment opening up right here, very cool. Legroom space is good. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat, and you do have the rear on this side, very cool indeed. And also You have your gears, reverse drive and whatnot. You also have your wireless charging right there, type C, compartment storage, and also, yeah, very nice indeed. 2 cup holders on this side, and other storage space happening down here with your of course your type C together with your USB-C, and yeah, nano SIM card, and yeah, compartment storage down here. Very cool, very nice indeed. So steering wheel, we'll get to that in a while more, but nevertheless, beautiful space, amazing. The height to get down also is very cool indeed. Let's open up the rear doors and check out the rear design like finish for the door. Of course, you get your grainy leather finish right here, handle to pull to open up the door, gloss black finish on this side, window adjustments, handle to hold to pull to close the door, leather finishing on this side. You get your compartment storage down here, hard plastic, Meridian speakers, very cool indeed. Love the finishing, very nice. So rear passenger seats look fantastic. Love the perforated seats that are happening all over the place. Seat belts also are in black. Love the leather finishing on this side, hard plastic on this side, so very cool. So let's get right down. Before that, you get this particular Range Rover badging right here at the side, very nice as well. Compartment storage down here. Of course, the rear seats keep some stuff. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seats, black seat belts. And let's pull this down. 2 cup holders, very cool. And you get your fabric lining for the top glass, very nice indeed. So down here you have your air vents together with this gunmetal finish, sort of like design like finish that goes across the whole car, including the steering wheel. Very nice how they have this. And you have your 2 type C charging together with 12 volt socket, very nice. So let's hop right into the center and take a look at what we will be looking at. So amazing center view. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Headroom is good. Seat belts are in black, similar. Door is right there, so let's get right down and check it out for the rear wheels. Let's get right down. So once again, you have your Pirelli tires for this particular wheel. 22-inch wheels, as you can see. Multi-spoke wheels, and I love the grey finish on the inside together with silver lining on the outside. Land Rover wheel caps. You get this bright finish wheel nuts, and your solid disc brakes at the back together with the red caliper on this side. So it does look very cool. I like the design and the appearance of this car. Very nice indeed. So tire size for this car would be, where are we? Down here, 265 40 R22. Very nice, love it. Petrol cap right here, and you have the rear of the car looking very nice indeed for the VELAR. Once again, every Range Rover car, I love how they have this grayed out finished Range Rover wording, and also the background of it is in this black finish. For the whole car, doesn't matter what color you go for, you do get this black housing for the rear tail lights, brake lights right there, brake lights right here. Very cool indeed. The setup is fantastic, very nice. So you do have your how to say this, your particular shark fin antenna, very cool indeed. And the bottom right here is in this grayed out finish on this side right here, so cool. Very nice bottom finish for the how to say this, the rear diffuser. Very amazing looking finish indeed. Love the bronze finish on this side, very cool, very cool. So the black lining at the side right here as well. I like how it's connected all towards the front, from the front to the back. Very nice setup. Love this car. VELAR wording right there. Let's open up the rear boot and show you guys the design. Finish like this. And amazing temporary tires that we have right there, including the amazing hooks that we have right here to keep some stuff. 12 volt socket, another hook right here to keep some stuff, another hook right there. Very nice. Shade, cool. Let's pull this down again. Very nice indeed. So the space is superb. Let's take a view like from this side and just check out how much of things you guys can actually store inside. So the rear, you just got to take it off as well. So very cool indeed for a setup like this. Now let's jump right to the driver's side and take a look at what we are actually seeing. Of course, you do get your door handles right here, very nice to open up. You get your handle to hold to pull to close the door, child lock for the rears, windows to the front. You do get your side mirror adjustments. You got memory seats, you got 3, your lock, unlock. You got your Meridian speakers on this side, Meridian speakers at the top, and of course the Meridian speakers down here. Hard plastic on this side, very nice compartment storage, and love the grainy leather finish that we have happening all over throughout the car. Of course, seat belts are in black. Love the rear, the seats of the front passenger. So very nice, driver, so cool. So let's jump right in. Sport pedals right here, chrome finish, very nice. Love the steering wheel design. As I mentioned, like how this color of the sort of like metal finish goes across the whole steering, right? So they have it across all their Range Rover models. At the same time, you can find them all over the air vents, bits here and there, so very, very nice indeed. So wiper adjustments on this side, lights on this side, pallet shifts on this side, negative, positive, very nice. Down here, you get your wireless charging, Type-C, compartment storage, very nice clean setup for your gear. Cup holders right here. Down here once again, same thing. Cool. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seat belts are in black. Very nice setup. So now let's turn on the front lights to show you guys how does the front lights actually look like. So similar towards earlier, but in this case we're going to do it with the doors open, and it does look very, very nice indeed. So Charante grey. Charante grey is what they call it, and it does look very gorgeous indeed, man. Very nice. So let's close the rear boot down once again. Can you see those airflow where it's happening for the rear? I like how the air just goes in, comes back down all the way there. So let's close this boot right here and turn on the signal turn indicators, so you guys can have a look at how does the signal actually blink for a car like this. So let's press right there and let's take a look. Side mirrors, you get your turn indicators right there, very cool indeed. Now down here, you do get your turn indicators on this side, and very, very nice setup. Love how this looks, man. Love how this looks, very nice indeed. So let's check out the rear. Love the black housing that's happening on this side. And you get your turn indicators on this side right here. Charante grey. Beautiful color, man. Damn. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to Sime Darby, where you can locate this car and that car and many more other cars here on display. Check out the rear. Check out all those amazing cars right there, man, including this beautiful showroom. Love it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.